DeLillo Chevrolet has been family-owned and operated since 1962. We've been delivering new and used vehicles using this successful hometown family service because we know it works. In a world full of megastores, DeLillo wants to keep your sales and service experience simple. There are no high-pressure tactics here.
Get noticed in this 2010 Chevrolet Tahoe. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Owner care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. There are so many things to remember in our busy lives. Let your vehicle do some of the work for you with memory settings. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.
You will notice that the same personnel work in our dealership year after year after year. It's very rare if we need to place an ad to replace one of our employees. So come on down and see why we are labeled the nicest people in town.